Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into Temu Canada. There are two main ways you can log into Temu Canada. One is by using email and password, and the other is by using social media. So let's go ahead and use email and password option first. Go ahead and open a web browser and then type in temu.com in the URL box. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Temu. After getting into the Temu Canada website, go ahead and click on the sign in/register at the top right. Now, go ahead and enter an email address or phone number in the text box. Make sure that you type in your email correct and click on the continue button. Now enter your account's password on the next field. Type in your password correct. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking the forgot password link and follow the instructions. After filling in both of your credentials, click sign in and you will be able to log into your Temu Canada account. Now the next way you can log into your Temu Canada account is by using the social media option. Here I'm going to quickly sign out of the account first in order to show it to you. Just like before, go ahead and click on sign in/register, which will then take you to the sign in area or the register area. Now in order to log in using your social media option, go to the bottom and then click on this arrow from where you can choose whether Google, Facebook, Apple or the X option. Select any one option you'd like to sign in with. Here I'm choosing Google. Go ahead and choose your Google account or enter your Google account's credential. Type in your Google account email and then your password. Click the continue button to sign into Temu, and you will also be able to sign into Temu Canada with your social accounts as well. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.